everyone, I noticed my car doesn't have no headlights. Headlight is not working so far, so we're gonna learn how to change the headlight.
Soft, buttery feeling of leather. Thankfully, I found my clan of leather lovers in the biking community.
Okay, I changed last time, but this time I have to change the other one. See, I changed this one last time, but I should change both of them at the same time. This one is not working. This one is working. I changed this last time. And we're gonna change the left headlight. This one. This is a low beam. Low beam. This is the high beam. This is the right, I guess. This is a low beam and a high beam. So let's try to change it on our own to save money. They said when you have a car like this, it costs you a fortune. Let's try not to cost a fortune. Let's save the fortune instead. All right. But before you do something else, you have to turn off everything.
Find out what you need to know.
Turn it off. And here we have our low beam. Low beam at the auto zone is $19.18. And every problem of this car, you can see it on the front screen, at this steering wheel screen, and it will show you that the light is not working. This time it's not working, it's not showing, so let's go ahead and check outside. Here is the problem. Low beam. That one is working. Alright. You have to open the front trunk. This is the red one to open the trunk. Open this. And make sure the key is there, and open this trunk. There you go. Okay, one more. It will go all the way up. There you go. Okay, this is the low beam. This is the low beam here, and this is the high beam. The second one is the high beam. It's the bigger one. This is a low beam. So open this one, open the cap, and next in the lever. Let's open it like that, and oops, just take this one out, and then you can see this. Open it. Open it like that. Oops, it's a little bit difficult. Alright, there it is. It come off. Just push it a little bit and then pull it. There you go. Pull it. Pull it. Okay, make sure that don't tie. Have to take this one out. So you can take this one out. Oh, it's burned. You can tell it's not working. This is an old one. This is broken already, so I can touch it. But if it is new, don't touch this glass. Alright, we can change to new one. See, this is what I said. This is a low beam and the high beam. The same thing on the other side. This is a low beam and a high beam headlights. They're both headlights. Alright, now we're gonna change the low beam. This is what we're gonna replace. You can do it yourself, but be careful that you have to go to the manual, Mercedes C300 manual, to make sure that you're doing right. Or you can Google it on YouTube, or go to the store and they'll give you the right one. Alright, we can open it. This is the replacement. This is the replacement, and they are the same. See this? This is a new one, and this is the old one. This is the old one, and it's already damaged. There's a black color there. And this is a new one, but don't touch the new one. Don't touch the lens, because the oil can damage the lens. Alright, and make sure that 87 extra vision, and the brand is Sylvania. And again, this is a Mercedes C300 2009. Alright, now we're gonna put this on the slot. Here I go. Don't break it. And there's a slot right there. You see that? And you can tell this one, you can put the slot there like a Lego. Okay. Make sure that you're gonna put it in the right spot. Right spot. Must be in the right spot. Alright. Oops, I hope I can show you inside. But I'm doing right. Right there. Like a Lego. There you go. Can you see it? See? This one should be right there. Should be right on the spot. Right there. And doesn't move. And you can close this. This is a replacement.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
It takes a few minutes only to just put it on. So I don't mind doing it.
Yeah, put it on.
Huh?
Yeah, put it on.
Yay!
Right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Very good.
I'd like to do the rest of it next time too.
Yeah.
Thank you for your help.
No problem.
Yeah.
Put the cap back on.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Alright?
Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Now you have to put the clamp. The guy that passed by, he helped me. He worked at the shop. He helped me to put the clip. This one. I had a hard time putting the clip there. He helped me a little bit. Thank you so much. So we have to close the cover. Make sure you're gonna click. There you go. When it's click, make sure that it doesn't come off. Alright. There you go. And that's the new one. Sylvania. It's we have like this is the old. I have to keep this one in case next time we have to buy another one. And there comes my low beam headlight. It's working. Thank you for watching. Please click the subscribe button on the bell. Hello. Let's try to save They said if you have a car like this, it costs you $1 million, but we're trying to save $1 million instead. Oh. And I like to keep my car clean. Always clean the car. It always looks nice. The engine is so quiet, okay? Almost you can't hear anything. Now it looks so clean and beautiful. Looks so clean and shiny. Oh, great. Headlight replacement of C300. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you are not sure doing it, make sure that you don't bring your car at the mechanic and don't break anything, because every piece is $2 million, they said. And we don't wanna pay $1 million. Make sure that you have to do it quick. Okay. Now it's going. Hi everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. And I'm gonna show you what's next I'm gonna do with my car. Mercedez C300 2001. It's a great car and doesn't give me a problem. Only the lights, but I know how to replace the lights, so no problem about that. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.
And one thing I'm gonna show you where is the manual of this car C300. You can find at the back. Here is the back. When you go this way, I guess in the left side here, this is the compartment. So that's the manual. Users manual. And just like that. Next time we're gonna change the charging port of the Mercedes C300. That's where you're gonna find all those stuff inside.